You're like, what is on my face right now? What did I get myself into? Hey guys, what's up? It is Shannon. Thank you so much for hanging back on my channel. We got Edie again. Strapped her down to the chair. We just finished filming another video, more of like a daytime polish look, and if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. I'll link it in the description box. And then we were wrapping up and I was like, hey dude, anything else you want to know?
Liner.
Gotta have that graphic liner, which is one of the hardest things in makeup to do.
Yes.
If you guys want to learn how to put liner on a client or how to do a graphic liner, then definitely keep watching. So I'm going to talk about tightlining first. Tightlining can be a little bit intimidating if you're newer to the makeup artist scene. Really the trick is you just have to be in control of the eye. Be at one with the eye. So basically I'm going to have you look down and this way for me. Perfect. And so because she's looking this way, I have access to this without making her cringe. You start to stab here, you know, yeah, right? It's totally, it feels weird. So you really want to make sure that they're looking in the right spot so that it's pain-free and just like easy. If someone's having a really hard time with it, they can bite their tongue, not hard or anything like that, just like, yeah. And then it also helps you focus on that so you won't be focused on me stabbing your eye. So I'm gonna have you look eyes open down like this. So I'm just gonna pick up her lash like this, and we're gonna go right underneath. And usually I like mutter some encouraging words of like, you're doing great, like, it's awesome, we're almost done. We just wanna make sure their pupil's in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna pull it up like this, perfect. Another way you can tightline someone's eye is using a flat brush. This is a Laura Mercier, it's their tightlining brush. Sometimes this is easier because you have a wider surface. So you would use this with like a gel liner. As a side note, this is my favorite gel liner. This is from Makeup Forever. It's their Aqua Black liner. I like it because it has a plastic cap in it, so it keeps the product really fresh. When you pick up product on the brush, I do like to put it on both sides. Then I'm gonna do like down and this way for me. Perfect. I'm gonna lift up. It's a little bit harder when you already have mascara on, and I'm gonna do like down and this way for me. Awesome. Very good. Graphic liner can be such a pain in the butt, if we're being real. So I usually like to design it first with eyeshadow so that I can completely manipulate the shape before going in with a liquid or gel. So I'm gonna grab this pointed brow brush from Sephora, and we're gonna start from the bottom of your lash line going up like it would naturally be continuing this line. So basically I'm gonna have you look up for me. So I'm gonna start it right down here. Pull it out. So I'm gonna take it on the other side following that bottom lash line. Basically, if you follow that bottom line out, it's gonna make sure that your eyes are always lifted. So then what you wanna do is you wanna take that outer part and then connect it with your upper lid. So I'm gonna have you close for me. So let's go ahead and go in and do actually a little bit of gel first. When you have your client look down when they're doing their liner, you can get it in their lash line really easily. As opposed to when they're closed, the skin kind of crunches together. And that makes it harder to get more of a perfect line. I'm taking just an eyeliner brush, but I'm putting some Mist and Fix on it. This is a Makeup Forever product. That way you can go back in and remove any of the excess as well. Let's go in and just perfect and also intensify the look with a little bit of liquid liner. Can you look down for me? Does this feel like retro, out of this world crazy?
I really like it.
Okay, cool. Oh, good, good, good.
And here is the final look.
All right, guys, that is it for you. I'm gonna go relax my hand for a little bit. For more tips and tricks, definitely check out Facebook and Instagram. And if you have a burning makeup or skincare question, definitely let me know in the comments below. We will see you in another video.
In the future.
In the future. In the not so distant future. Bye. 10 hours later. Dun dun dun!
Remember when you first started wearing contacts and you spent about 30 minutes trying to get one contact?
Yeah, that is the disadvantage of having really close friends on my channel. They have a lot of embarrassing stories about me. It's amazing that I can even put makeup on myself now.